Squarespace includes a built-in image editor for making changes to images on your site. Editing tools include brightness, saturation, cropping, and aspect ratio. For image blocks and thumbnail images, click Edit in the page content. Hover over your image and click Edit. Then click on the image editor. In the Adjust panel, there are multiple editing options such as brightness, contrast, and saturation. Under the crop icon, there's additional tools to edit your image, including crop, flip, rotate, and straighten. Use the filter icon to add color filters to your image. To cancel your previous edit, click the undo icon. Once you're done editing your image, click Save. Click Apply, and save again. For other images, such as images on gallery pages or gallery blocks, hover over the thumbnail and click the pencil icon to open the image editor. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.